Soothing remedies for armpit itch.
Hello, everyone. Today we're going to delve into a common but often uncomfortable issue, armpit itching. We'll explore some home remedies that can help relieve this annoyance, so you can return to your comfort zone. Remember, these remedies are only for mild and temporary cases. If the itching persists, becomes painful, or is accompanied by other symptoms, please consult a healthcare professional.
What causes armpit itching?
Before we dive into the remedies, it's crucial to understand the common causes of armpit itching. This can help you prevent it in the future. In most cases, itching in the armpits is due to a skin reaction, perhaps to a new deodorant or laundry detergent. Other times, it could be due to sweating, dry skin, or even a skin condition like eczema or psoriasis.
Natural remedies for armpit itching.
Now that we understand the possible causes, let's jump right into the remedies. 1. Aloe vera. Apply the gel from an aloe vera leaf directly onto the itching area. Aloe vera is known for its soothing and anti-inflammatory properties. 2. Cold compress. A cold compress can numb the area, providing temporary relief. Be sure not to apply the ice directly to your skin, wrap it in a cloth first. 3. Baking soda. Make a paste of baking soda and water and apply to the armpits. Its anti-inflammatory properties can help with the itch. 4. Coconut oil. Its moisturizing properties can help with dry skin, which can be a cause of the itch. 5. Oatmeal bath. Oats contain compounds called avenanthramides that reduce inflammation, so a bath in oatmeal-infused water can help.
Preventive measures.
Prevention, as always, is the best cure. Some steps you can take to prevent armpit itch include: 1. Personal hygiene. Regular washing removes bacteria and other potential itch triggers. 2. Care with skin products. Be aware of what you're putting on your skin. If a product like deodorant or soap seems to be causing the itch, consider switching to a more gentle, hypoallergenic option. 3. Stay hydrated. Hydration helps keep your skin healthy and can reduce itching. 4. Wear breathable fabrics. This helps reduce sweat and irritation. And there you have it. These are simple, natural remedies for relieving armpit itching, as well as a few preventive measures. Remember, these are only for mild, temporary discomfort. If your symptoms persist, it's important to seek medical attention. We hope this has been helpful, and here's to itch-free days ahead.